Today, we'll show you how to replace your door spring and link on this Frigidaire dishwasher. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reason why you'd be replacing your door spring and link is if it is broken, causing the door to flop open. Now, if you need to, make sure to uninstall your dishwasher and let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. There are no tools needed to complete this repair. For the door linkage, if you have gained access to the sides, it is rather difficult to do it from underneath, but it is possible. I do recommend uninstalling it if you can. If your linkage is broken, obviously you will have to either replace the plastic or the spring. If you need to know how to take them off, the spring just extends and pop out of here. The same with this portion right here. Now, you can see that there are all kinds of different marks on here. You can either tighten it up, you can do it exactly how it was. There's a lot of different variations how you can actually run this. If you want the door to open a little bit kind of stiffer, you could put it toward the end so that the spring has to pull harder. If you want it to not have a whole lot of force, put it toward the front. If you have to replace this piece, just pop it off, put a new one on, and slap it in. We'll go ahead and reconnect it. Once you've done this, go ahead and reinstall your dishwasher. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.